is our hotel that we are staying at, Wadoma Royal Hotel in the heart of Manhyia. Let's go in. Do you know what? I know you really want to see the inside, but I'm just going to show you my favorite bit first. So this is the way to the restaurant that you see us having our breakfast at. So it's just down this way. And this is the way to my favorite part of this hotel. And you can probably tell now that I know the hotel very well, because this is not our first time staying here. Our first time was 2 years ago, and we came as a 2, and we really like this hotel. Morning. So this is the way. As you can see, there's a lot of greenery, and I love that about this hotel. Lots and lots and lots of green. And it's kept very tidy on a daily basis. But this is my favorite part, and I'm hoping we'll have time to be able to use it. But this is it. Literally, this is where we always book this hotel, but we don't even get to go in there. As you can see, it's a bit dirty, but they clean it in the mornings, and it's really early right now, so I think they'll be cleaning it shortly. As I can see, the cleaner's already started. So this is what we love about Wadoma Hotel. Or should I say Wadoma Royal Hotel. Very nice, calm, serene, peaceful, green environment. And as you can see, there's more green space over there. Yeah. So this is the outdoor space of our hotel. So now I'll take you back and we check out the indoor space. And actually this building here is a conference room, so people usually rent it for conferences, and as it stands right now, the education sector is currently here holding a conference. So they usually use the conference suite, which is, the entrance is just there. But yeah, I just love the greenery. Very nice green space. So this is our entrance. This is the entrance, guys. Keep hiding his face. This is our lovely receptionist. And like, you can go upstairs for rooms and stuff, but we're down here. So this is our way in. And do you know what I love about this hotel? It's so sentimental in the sense that every room has a name. So this room here is called Akua and More, which means the eagle's nails. And every single room has a name, and this is what we really love about this room. Let's see if I could show you some of the rooms and what they're called. This one is Nyamiburi Biboto. And this is Nelson Mandela room. I just love that the hotel has a lot of sentiments, you know? But the last time we came here was about 2 years ago, and it was just Kofi and I. And this time round, we're 4. So when we were given this room, it was quite sentimental, because this room is called Imura Dane, which means times change. So no, it's not a fancy swiping card, but the moment you walk in, honestly, you are reminded of the name of the room, which is Emure Dane. And Emure Dane comes with a little quote. It says, a symbol of the temporariness of good times. Good situations are not permanent, so the fortunate should not boast. Bad situations are not permanent, so the less fortunate should not give up. No condition is permanent, hence man should be humble, cooperative, and hopeful in all his endeavors. It's just beautiful, guys. I mean, this hotel holds so much sentiment for us. That's why we always stay here when we come to Kumasi. I don't know why I've come into the bathroom first, but okay. This is where we've been staying. Hi. So, not much. Something simple. But the bed has been so comfortable. Literally, like, it's a pretty huge bed. So yeah, this is our bed. And then we even have an outside space as well. Oh, not that. Oh, so this is our outside view. It's just a small area, but it overlooks, you know, that pool area. You can just about see the pool area. But you know something about Ghana? Almost everywhere, even hotels, have these. What's it called? They have these like metal frames on the windows. It's just for burglars.